marketing your brand on Facebook. Most are unaware of their brand's ideal campaign. If you lack knowledge about the nuances of social media advertising, then you are wasting time and money on your campaigns. First, you need to know effective ad execution, Ads Manager or Boosted Post. If you don't know the difference between Ads Manager and Boosted Post advertisement, then you must know the difference. Once upon a time, when there were good days, Facebook business page likes and followers at this time. Business posts were accessible to almost everyone organically. But for a long time now, Facebook has reduced the organic reach. Now to expand reach and engage more audience on Facebook, Facebook now requires payment for certain services. It means paid advertisement has to be done. Main difference: Facebook Ads Manager is a comprehensive tool with advanced features for creating and managing ads, such as analytics of campaigns in sites by Facebook Ads Manager. And in case of any kind of problem with advertising, can be assessed by Ad Manager, with the help of which further improvements can be made by tracking the